My name is Edison Gutierrez. I present themes to my daily routine. I get up 6 o'clock every day. Themes. I have a shower. After that, I have breakfast and brush my teeth. Also, I get dressed and I go out to take the bus for university. I pay attention, go to class during in the morning, and sometimes I stay until 3 in the afternoon. And then I return home. And usually we have lunch with my mom. Then I take a nap for 30 minutes after I get up and start doing my homework. Sometimes I usually go for a walk alone or with my friends. After being at home, I play my guitar. In the night, I have dinner with my parents. I listen to music bachata, and finally, at 11 p.m., I go to sleep.